Looking for the best quiet keyboard for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 quiet keyboard that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a quiet keyboard that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended quiet keyboard. Number 1 on the list is Logitech K800. While the Logitech K800 may not be built as slim as some other keyboards, its build quality is superb, and it comes with a few nice extras. Most importantly is the generous wrist rest. This should make this keyboard much more comfortable to use compared to many other keyboards. There's also built-in backlighting, which is great for typing sessions in the dark. Interestingly, we couldn't actually confirm the switch type on this keyboard. Its keys aren't made to be popped off. And it doesn't feel like a traditional chiclet or membrane at all. It doesn't feel like a mechanical keyboard necessarily, but it's clear that Logitech went with a non-conventional approach with this one. This approach works, though, since this keyboard is whisper quiet and very comfortable to use. It has a sleek design, and an eye-catching dark black aesthetic. It's an all-round great keyboard from Logitech. Second on the list is Perixx PERIBOARD-512. For those of you who want an ergonomic typing experience, the Perixx PERIBOARD-512 may be the right pick for you. This is an ergonomic split keyboard, which specifically makes it ideal for those who will be typing for extended periods. In particular, professionals will begin to notice burgeoning hand pains and the onset of RSI when using a regular keyboard day in and day out for too long. The Perixx design is specifically designed to avoid that. Which is great for your hands. If you don't want to buy a split ergonomic keyboard but are still concerned about your hands, watch this video from Dr. Levi. I've used these stretches myself for years. Aside from the whole ergonomic thing, this keyboard is also fairly quiet while in use. It does use membrane switches instead of chiclet, but fortunately they're still incredibly quiet. Even combing through Amazon for nitpicky reviews, we couldn't find any complaints, and we can't complain either. Number 3 on the list is Arcteck 2.4 GHz wireless keyboard. The Arcteck 2.4 GHz wireless keyboard is the first entry on our list and the cheapest. This is an incredibly thin keyboard with chiclet keys and wireless connectivity. These low-profile keys inherently result in a lower noise profile than larger membrane or mechanical switches, but the build quality goes the extra mile with stainless steel to keep things quiet. If you aren't picky about your wireless keyboards beyond them being quiet, then this is a tough option to pass up. It's incredibly cheap. We do want to note that the 6-month battery life claim is pretty much just marketing BS, though, since that's based on only 2 hours of use per day. Especially for professionals or gamers, this is a very unlikely use case, since it charges via USB, rather than using AA or AAA batteries, though, you just need to plug it in occasionally. Don't worry about batteries. For this price, this is an incredibly solid product. Most of you will likely be satisfied with this, but keep reading if you want better options. Your choice is more limited if you need a wireless keyboard, but they are still out there. Number 4 on the list is Razer BlackWidow Elite. This quiet keyboard from Razer is a truly stellar keyboard all around, with great Rgb support, extra hardware features, and amazing mechanical switches. What sets this apart from similar quiet mechanical gaming keyboards is the Razer Yellow Switch. The Razer Yellow Switch is Razer's quietest key mechanism. It's described by Razer as linear and silent. This means you'll get the quietest possible typing experience on a Razer keyboard with the BlackWidow Elite, so long as you get the yellow version. The orange and green versions will both be much louder, green especially. This keyboard also features a headphone jack pass-through, for conveniently connecting headphones or a headset directly to your keyboard. The wrist rest is also magnetic, allowing you to attach or detach it according to your preference or any given usage scenario. Number 5 on the list is DOS Keyboard 4, MX Brown version. This is actually more of a soft-touch keyboard than a quiet keyboard. The Cherry MX Brown switch isn't the quietest on this list, and for those of you who want a truly silent keyboard experience, this may not be the best choice, but for most scenarios, MX Brown strikes a good balance. Office use, for instance, should be more than fine. It is far quieter than most similar keyboards, since this is the most expensive keyboard on this list. You may be wondering why we are recommending it. Simply put, the DOS Keyboard 4 is built for professional use. DOS Keyboard in general provides truly stellar engineering and build quality, with little care for unnecessary extra frills. This applies to the DOS Keyboard 4, and it shows in the features on display. You get a USB 3.0 hub built-in, complete N-key rollover, and durable aluminum build quality throughout the keyboard and number pad, if you want a well-built, very capable keyboard. This one offers a fantastic typing experience without making much noise. Just now is a list of 5 best quiet keyboard that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.